COVID cases are increasing throughout California, and experts are calling it a swell.
What we're seeing in the wastewater, in the emergency room visits, in the percent positivity, meaning the number of people who think they might have COVID who are testing positive, in the hospitalizations, all of these numbers are up here in California.
According to the California Department of Public Health, over the last month, the COVID positivity rate has doubled. On June 1st, the rate was 4%, and as of July 1st, it jumped to 10%. Dr. John Swartzberg, a UC Berkeley infectious disease expert, says this number could be higher because COVID tracking has changed within the last year.
We're not keeping careful track of who's getting COVID. We're not even keeping very careful track of who's being hospitalized with COVID. So the data is not nearly as good as it was a year and a half ago, and that's disappointing. If you look at wastewater data, we see some communities in the Bay Area who have relatively low levels of wastewater positivity for COVID, and other areas that have a very high level. And we're not sure what that means in terms of translating to how many cases we're seeing in each community.
He says there are several factors for the increase in cases. Sharing this past holiday weekend is just a piece of it.
So waning immunity with a more transmissible variant play a major role. And the final piece of that formula is the fact that people aren't being as careful as they were before.
Flirt is the nickname for several different COVID variants that have become dominant in the U.S. And people are experiencing the traditional COVID symptoms, but some are noticing more stomach-related issues.
Yeah, so some of the symptoms are gastrointestinal. They were always there all along. It's just that people didn't necessarily put them together with having COVID. People might think they have food poisoning, but they include things like loss of appetite, nausea, diarrhea.
Both experts say those who are at high risk and of older age should get vaccinated. Leslie Gooden, KRON 4 News.